Okay. Um, so we're going to play a little bit of some bleeds here. And yeah, it's been a while. I have played, just these stupid exams like I'm writing for now and stuff. So it's just taking some time off. What was this anyway? Let's just how to get to 2000 right now. Okay, I'll try to get on this side. Just that oh wow. Okay, he's opening that. Okay. Um, I'll just let him be. Um, I need to move that. Did I? Um. So yeah, that would be it. Okay, I will try to move my. I just want to get to this square with this knife and stuff. I think it's going to be a nice open square. Okay. Why is it helping me? I don't know why, by the way. Um, Probably has some good reasons, does he? Not sure about that. Will I be leaving a square or something? Just take. Um, and then what now? What now? What now? Come on, what now? Um, Maybe play check. Oh, I should have took with the knight here. It would be like more like gray square for that. No, but then he has now like this square. But then what's really interesting is that he's quite open, and I'll try and exploit that. Even though I haven't found an idea yet. Like okay, he was having a problem with that. Oh, like okay, I don't think this one is nice. But it looks a little bit playable. So what now? Um, well, that's quite tempting. Um, I have to take here. I gotta take. That was a blunder. I saw late. I saw very late that it's a blunder. Maybe. Um, why not here? Oh, why? Why did I? Okay. It's just that it is okay. I saw that he's going to like that much. But then I have a little bit of some tempo here. Don't just take. Okay, then I have like this rook coming over. Okay, he's just purely going to regret having ever known chess. Woo! Easy. Wait a minute. Do I see anything now? Okay. So I'm just trying to come over. Yeah, oh, it's a checkmate. He didn't see it. Um, anyway, I'm not that far off from how I'll be like 20. Okay, now I'm 1991, so it's not that bad. Coming very close to 2000 and stuff. I just saw a couple of feeds, like people was like more talking about that. The comments. Your turn. Wait a minute. Yeah, Lana. No, I don't think I did. I don't think I did. Should I come over? Maybe should try trade there. Uh, okay. That was not a good move. Wait. I would have preferred a pawn take. Um, well, it doesn't scare me a bit. Doesn't. Um, I just move, just for control. Um, why would they do that? Huh? It's it's just that I'm kind of thinking. I know I'm not. We're trying to chase that way. Um, you know, that is not going to. Okay, let me take this. What? Okay, it's going to be awfully awkward. Now that he's shit. Okay. Oh, I'll plan. I did plan. So then, I actually wanted to put my rook over here and stuff, but then I planned it. Oh, well, God, I'm dying. Oh, God, have mercy. Are you kidding me? Uh, this one. Yeah, not. Uh, I'll try to hold it a bit. Everybody's going to try things like F. Okay, I knew that was coming. I was going to try and avoid this. Yeah, maybe. It's not going to be nice for this man. Shit. No, but then I take and try to take. So he's not going to do it. Um, so I'm just trying to survive here. He's just trying to survive. Just trying to survive. Is he going to take? He's not taking. That's a good thing. Ah, that's not nice. So it's like he's giving me recovering options and stuff. So it's more like my pieces cannot. Oh god. Okay. Maybe I celebrated too early. Um, I think I did celebrate too early. Did I? So, yeah, that's the thing. I think I did. So maybe I. What the fuck? What? Shit. Holy shit. You kidding me? Fuck it. Ah, you gotta be kidding me right now. Yeah. Alright, we're going to try again. We're going to try again. Okay. Why not? I'm going to take you. Try to get to this 20 thing. Okay, by all means necessary. Um, I mean, come on. Oh, did I miss that? Should have took. Should have took. Trying to take care. Um, not. Oh God. Uh, hmm. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Okay. I don't see influence, but you have to be smart about it. You have to be smart about it, man. Gotta be. But then we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Oh, okay. So I'll just take it. I just take it. I just take it. Good deal for me. What the fuck? Shit. Okay, okay, sorry guys. I mean, like, come on. I thought I got this under control. Like, what was, what went wrong? Um, I just try ignoring. Ah! He's coming this okay. I'm just going to see what he's going to do. Like, come on, there were many things that I could have done to prevent it. I mean, like, really. Um, I'm a push here. At least, uh, that's not good. Fuck, I didn't see that. Ah, shit. Wait a minute, 2018. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm going to try and put more effort on stuff because like my rating is going down. And it's not a good thing. Um, ah, I'll try and like and and try like and think because it seems like my mind is